The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 Audi Q5 that has factory installed flush side rails. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail base roof rack system. So that system consists of the silver load bars that you see here, 50 inches in length. Black bars are also available. Connecting the bar to the fitting kit is the flush rail foot pack. That comes in a set of 4, and you'll need the fitting kit 186045. So that allows for a really clean, precise connection to that flush side rail, as you can see there. So maximum crossbar spacing is 27.5 inches, and that is variable along the length of the rail, so you can move it wherever you see fit. Total weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed between the two crossbars. So there you go. You see, that's a really great, clean install. Locks are available separately if you choose to lock it up, but not required. You see here, it's a great fit on this vehicle and a great system to carry pretty much anything you need to, bikes, kayaks, cargo, etc. So there you go. That's just a quick look at this fit. Click the link in the description below for more details, pricing, and availability. And like always, thanks for watching.